nickel, Cindy? Yeah, I'll pay this time, Steve. $50.
Please put down your weapon. You have 20 seconds to comply.
Did you see that? Yeah, Mr. Ed could be a bus conductor.
You now have 15 seconds to comply.
Thank you, Mr. Ed. How are we gonna get change?
I think you asked for. Did you mean?